Match in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we're into our autonomous period. Once again, our human players are firing, our robots are firing. That's the Green Engineers and their alliance partners, Lancebot, finding some shots, as well as on the blue alliance side of the thing, Bloomingdale as well as TimberTech, they're finding some points here. It looks like the Red Alliance is going to find themselves a lead heading out of autonomous as we move our way into Teleop. These drivers now taking controls at the end of the buzzer. We're going to see who is going to be our star of this show. Right here in the center of the field, underneath that Edgewater automation sign, we're seeing some automated robots make their way through. Our Red Alliance robot, that's the Green Engineers, our home team. They're trying to get some balls to stop the Blue Alliance from getting too far here in their first shift of the match. 9182 with their extra ride robot. The Pterodactyls feeding those human players, trying to get balls into the hub by all means possible. And their alliance partners, Bloomingdale, they're working their way in the center of the field, but it's the Red Alliance's time to shine. And we've switched over to the red shift. These balls are flying. Those human players, they've waited patiently, and now it's their turn. The Red Alliance putting up basket after basket. We'll see how many more balls can they get there. Looks like Green Engineers, they're aiming. They're trying to get lined up. We'll see if they can empty their hopper into that hub. Their alliance partners, Lancebot, they found a couple shots of their own. They almost empty their hopper there as we transition over into blue. All right, 11399, that's TimberTech. They're trying to work their way through to load up that hub with all the balls they have. Meanwhile, we're seeing Pterodactyls work their way back to the human player station, try to get all the balls they can. But the minute mark passed, which means it's about to be a Red Alliance shift. It's 2v3, but they're playing as hard as they can, getting those human players back to try to ease up that number. We're seeing what can the Green Engineers do. Are they ready to shoot? Can they get those balls into the hub? They're working the hardest they can, and their human players are putting in all the work that they can too. All right, we're transitioning back to one last blue shift before we're in the end game. That means that both of these hubs are lit up, the red one and the blue one. Anyone can score. We're seeing the red score at almost 80 points here, the Blue Alliance at almost 40. We'll see if the Red Alliance can try to get that ranking point on top of a win if they can get all 100 balls into the hub. Their human players are putting in the work they can. We're going to have to see, can Green Engineers empty that hopper?
Ready, take a look at the board in the sky. It will tell you the Red Alliance is our winner with a score of 96-48. The Red Alliance, 3 ranking points they take home.